Hello friends, so come spend the day with me as I filmed this day in the life very differently and edited very differently than I have in the past. I went grocery shopping, we cleaned, I shared my grocery haul and a few things that I love from Amazon. So please leave a comment down below and let me know if you like it. But at first, let's go shopping for our groceries for the week at Kroger. I'm home. I hope you guys enjoyed that ASMR shop with me. This is everything that I got. I'm gonna go through it all. I want you guys to guess how much all of this cost. But let me show you what I got. We got some maple turkey links. I'm gonna make a pot roast for us. My girls have been under the weather and I just want a nice comfort meal for them that I know that they'll eat. So I got a pot roast for that. Some chicken thighs we'll have later on this week. Bacon, sausage for our homemade pizzas. Nice salad. I'm gonna make some green beans tonight. We got some blackberries, eggs, onions, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, mozzarella cheese, hot dog rolls, sweet potato I'm gonna have with the chicken thighs for my girls. My husband and I are keto. Well, husband is keto-ish. I'm keto, so we won't have that, but I like to fix that for my girls. Avocado, some beef stock, unsweetened vanilla, almond milk, sweet bell pepper, a red bell pepper, a tomato, some hot dogs for my girls, chicken stock, coffee creamer for my husband. Again, he's keto-ish. This is all they had. It was very slim pickings at Kroger where I went. Even the heavy cream, there wasn't much heavy cream left, and this is like a staple. Well, I'm trying to cut back on my dairy, but this is something that I use a lot when I'm trying to eat clean keto. I bought some tomato sauce. This isn't the most keto friendly because I think it has 10 net carbs in a half a cup, but you just have to be conscious of that. Some Alfredo sauce. I like to just have these in my pantry for whenever we get ready to make spaghetti. I just use zucchini noodles for myself, a bag of apples for my girls, and a fresh onion, okay? What do you think this cost? Altogether, this cost a grand total of $118. So, I don't know. Do you guys think that that's okay? The chuck roast was on sale, $25, but that's about how much it normally is for a good chuck roast to me. So, I don't know. There is no such thing as a good deal, seems like, anymore. So it is what it is. Before I cook breakfast, thank you so much to Bellway for sponsoring today's video. Now, I've worked with Bellway many times over the years because I love, love, love so much that this is a quick and easy way to get in the fiber that you need, especially when you're eating ketogenically. Now, you don't have to be keto to enjoy the benefits of fiber. I mean, it could help with your digestive health, your heart health, with high cholesterol and everything like that. And I'm always talking about how it's so important to get your fiber in when you're eating ketogenically, because honestly, you can easily become constipated, and trust me, you want your bowel movements to go through smoothly, if you know what I mean. And Bellway, like I said, is an easy way to get this in. I received the super fiber and fruit, which is a mixed berry flavor, and also super fiber and collagen, which is a strawberry lemonade flavor. The strawberry lemonade is my personal favorite because it has collagen in it. It's really, really simple to make. All you have to do is mix your water and a scoop or two of the powder, shake it up, and you just drink it immediately, and you got your fiber in for the day. Now, you can find Bellway at some Targets or Sprouts. It's also on Amazon, and that link will be in the description box. But if you want to get 20% off of your first order, you can use the coupon code GIA20 to get 20% off at getbellway.com, and that link is in the description box as well. So this is my first meal of the day. This is breakfast for me today. And I was really hungry because I was breaking my fast. And I believe I was fasting for about 16 hours at this point. It's not morning time when I'm eating this. It's more closer to very early afternoon. But I have 2 scrambled eggs, some pork sausage links, a piece of sola bread, a half of an avocado, and some berries here just to fuel me up, full of fats. There's a few carbs on here. I think it's like 6 to 8 net carbs here. And this will keep me full until dinner. So I bought these off of Amazon yesterday, literally, and I was so excited they came today because I have been needing these over my stools and the chairs in here in the kitchen. These only came with 20 of them, so I can only do 5 chairs. And so I put them on my stools and they fit, and I wasn't sure if they were gonna fit on our chairs here that we have in our kitchenette because they're kind of big, but look, it fits. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna go and order 2 more because I have to do, sorry, this is such a mess. Ava was painting, but I have to do this whole set and the rest of our stools and the rest of the set here. The only thing is I don't think I could put it on the table itself, which is fine because we don't really move that often, but I'm just really excited about this. I will link these in my Amazon shop in the description box. Here's the difference in how it sounds on the hardwoods. So every time it's like scratching up the floors, dulling them. So I'm really excited about this. This pot roast came out so delicious, y'all. It was exactly what I needed. For some reason, my body was craving some red meat because we hadn't had red meat in about 2 weeks. And so my body was craving it. And so we made a pot roast, and my cauliflower rice, which is like my mashed potato substitute with the sour cream and butter, was so good. Fresh green beans, so quick and easy to make in an Instant Pot. This was a delicious meal. This will make you want to clean your entire house with this scent. It smells so good. My absolute new favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below and let me know if you like this type of video because I can film more of these on top of my normal content. This was really fun for me to do something different. So any feedback that you have would be greatly appreciated. Leave a comment down below and let me know how your week is going. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.